Hello Automators, today we're going to set up the YoLink Smart Garage Door Kit 2. This kit comes with a garage door controller and a door sensor, allowing you to open and close your garage door remotely via the YoLink app. The devices can be set up to work with Google Assistant and Amazon's She Who Shan't Be Named.
Close finger. Yes.
For all of YoLink's home automation devices, you do require the YoLink hub. Let's set it up. To begin, you'll need the YoLink app. Tap the QR scan button in the top right of the app screen and scan the code on your garage opener finger. The finger will be offline until you press Set on the device, and then it will appear in your app's list of usable devices. Select the garage opener in the app, and from here you'll be able to open and close your garage door. Just use the adhesive strip on the back of the finger to position it next to your garage door button, and move the finger into positioning using the up and down buttons on the device. Next, we'll need to pair the door sensor with the app. As before, hit the QR code scan button in the top right of the app screen and scan your sensor's QR code. The sensor is calibrated to only show the door is open when it is in a fully horizontal position, which helps to ensure you know your garage door's status at all times. Once paired, adhere the sensor to your garage door and you're all set. The main channel has a review of this kit. Head there to get Brian's thoughts. Thanks for watching.